How to enable dark mode on Facebook. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to open the Facebook app, and then you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and after that you have to scroll down, and when you have scrolled down you can see the settings and privacy. You have to click on the settings and privacy, and when you click on the settings and privacy you can see all these options. So you have to click on the dark mode. Here you can see the, so you have to click on the dark mode, and you have to click on the on. Here you can see the on. When you click on the on, then your uh, uh, Facebook app is on the dark mode. And when you use the system settings, so you can adjust your appearance based on your device's system settings. Means if your device is in the dark mode, then your Facebook app is also on the dark mode. If your device is on the light mode, then your Facebook app is also on the light mode. So that's it. So you can also use the settings system settings, but I use the Facebook dark mode. So that's it, that how you can enable the Facebook dark mode. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. Have a good day.